Gay.
Better than yours, weenie lick.
That was mine.
Move over.
Did you guys see that? Mop it, do it again.
Oh my god.
Did you add on to that though, dude?
Oh my god. I can't hear my drink without laughing. Stop it.
I'm all like laughing, so I'm moving the camera around.
Go.
Go.
Dude, I've drank like all mine. Okay.
Jonathan is winning by far.
I'm winning still.
Shh. I'm not done
I
yet.
think I'm gonna throw up.
I can get my can flatter than yours.
So you lost the burping contest, so you got to do that.
Oh my god.
Jonathan still won.
I don't think that's not a verb. That's more like a half
He's still
volley.
winning, dude.
Wait, hold on. Almost done.
I'm winning!
He's so winning.
I'm beat, so.
I'm not done yet.
Oh my god.
Hold on, let me go get some more drinky drink.
Jonathan, dance or something.
Oh, dude, I can do
Dude,
Wait.
what the fuck? What is in you?
Okay. I'll do it with milk.
Oh my god.
You're gonna throw up. Look, you're like. You're
Oh my god.
That's not how I laugh.
Okay, go. Dude, get closer together.
Can I just drink it out of this?
Sure, whatever. Dude, Johnny. Please.
I love milk so much. Stop, that's my milk. I almost threw up. Wait.
Oh my god. Oh.
I'm just not in his face. I think it's from all the pills. Hold on, let me chug this. This will be gone by the time I leave, just so you know.
Okay. Oh my god. I'm shaking so much because I'm laughing.
Wait, I need more.
Imagine, it's like gone. She's like, I feel so sick. She's like, like she's like super risky. She's like fucking that.
Oh, shit.
What shit?
Mm-mm. I can chug all of this. Okay.
I could choke all of your mom.
It's nasty.
She's so serious.
Okay, wait, hold on.
What the fuck?
Okay, they're getting
I'm
better.
winning so far. We're like 8 burps.
Mine are getting better.
Better.
I just-
Dude, just stand close together.
Hold on, I need to...